Hey, to pair your Soundcore Space Q45 with your Android phone, first of all you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So click and hold on this icon and turn on the Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Now you have to move into your headphones. So you have to find the power button, and it's located on this headphone. That's actually the left headphone. Inside you can find marking, and you have to click and hold on this button until this indicator starts blinking quickly blue. Just like this. Now you can release this button, and on your phone you have to select these earbuds. If you cannot find them, just restart the Bluetooth settings. Take a look for available devices and select your Soundcore Space Q45. Accept the pairing, and now we are successfully connected. You can also try to download the Soundcore application from the Play Store, so you will get access to the more features. If you don't know how to do this, I have a second video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you step by step how to pair these headphones to the application and your phone. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.